Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 night light not turning off. First method is try to turn off night light. Second method is update driver automatically and update from my computer. Third method is rollback display adapter driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.